and that's exciting to me. I've discovered something that it keeps me awake at night, because all of a sudden I realize that we don't have to make all this gas in order to make it work.
The volume of gas that an engineer might have you believe is this.
I'm Daniel, and this is my family team from Secure Supplies. We have preserved and rebuilt green technologies actively around the world now for over 18 years. The water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission. Click the subscribe button now to join our technology releases and updates every Monday, and consider buying a ticket to the show by pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon tech training releases every Friday.
Gas in order to make it work, and that's what I'm working on right now. If that happens, it changes the whole equation. Absolutely whole equation.
Yeah, it sure does. And you know what's amazing to me about it is that the same liquid that the fuel is being made from is the very thing that can make that fuel go farther in an engine and actually work in an engine, but in a different form.
Yeah, exactly.
That's just,
let me give you.
It's almost miraculous.
Let me give you a little food for thought for everybody out there. Okay, let's take some of the elements that are inside of an engine, and let's say, why can't we use these elements differently to make things a little bit better in the future? Let's take an example. If you take helium, for example, you can take 4 helium atoms and you can pump it into a carbon. And if you pump it into a carbon, it'll become unstable. And that carbon will split. And when it splits, it's 10,000 to 1. 10,000 to 1. Now let's talk about the next step in this whole process, and let's talk about that. Think about that.
I never have.
Yeah.
I wasn't aware of that.
Yeah.
So in other words, you're saying that could be used as a fuel?
Well, of course. We've got everything in a car. We got everything available right now to put together an incredible new concept with far-reaching implications and far-reaching power than we're doing today. That's what I see, and that's what I understand, and it'll be amazing.
That's something to look at.
Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades of study.